Right, next train to arrive on platform 2 is your 1612 Greater Anglia service to Bury St Edmunds, calling at Bury St Edmunds only. And then you have to change at Bury St Edmunds for bus replacement to Ely, Mayley, Whittlesea and Peterborough. No, for services. This is your 1612 Greater Anglia service to Bury St Edmunds, calling at Bury St Edmunds only. This is due to a freight train between Peterborough derailed yesterday. So there's still services not going to Peterborough. You have to change at Bury St Edmunds, a bus replacement at Bury St Edmunds train station, and get a bus from there to Peterborough and other train stations as well. So yeah, so that'll be coming any minute. Just a shout out to my train fans. Hope everyone's doing alright today on a lovely, nice sunny afternoon. Oh God, that's... Coming in distance now is once again your 1612 Greater Anglia service to Bury St Edmunds, calling at Bury St Edmunds only. This is due to a fake train at Peterborough derailed yesterday, and still Greater Anglia services disrupted as well. And you are 170,272. 170,272. So see you in a bit when this train departs. Your 1612 Greater Anglia service to Bury St Edmunds, calling at Bury St Edmunds only, and it is 170,272. So see you in a bit when this train departs Stowmarket from Ipswich. Getting ready to depart now. It's 170,272, and that's forming the 1612 Greater Anglia service to Bury St Edmunds. Thanks for the wave, driver. One 170,272 off to Bury St Edmunds. See you in the next clip.